Okay, now let's combine the scatter plot with the circle view that we looked at. Okay, so we do the same chart. Actually, let's go ahead and duplicate that. And I will name this sheet number 4. Okay. So now we have product category is color. So product subcategory, let's put that into detail. So all we'll have are circles. Okay. There is no shape. Okay. I took product subcategory from shape into detail. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to remove the trend lines. All right. Now bring in profit to size, and let's remove the customer name from it. So we want to look at the relationship at the product level, not really at the product customer level, right? So let's remove that. So now the level of detail is shipping cost, and I'm sorry, level of detail is product category, product subcategory, and product name. So I'm going to bring product name there, so it will be in that order. So all right. Now instead of having profit both for y-axis as well as size, okay, why use the same measure twice? So instead, I'm going to remove profit and put sales in its place. Okay. So now we have shipping cost against sales, and the product categories represent color, and the profit represents the circles. Okay. Now circle size, okay, it's starting from minus 39,000. If you want it that way, that's fine. Or if you want to center it at 0, that's fine also. So let's leave it like this. So we will consider profit as a continuous stream of numbers, negative to positive. Okay. So this is the relationships. Now if you want to study the relationship here much more closely, because there are too many transactions are all bunched up in that corner, and you want to study that further. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, so one thing you can do for that is to change the scale of the axis to logarithmic scale. So when you do logarithmic scale, the smaller values will get expanded further. Okay, so to do that, go to edit axis, okay, and then change scale to logarithmic. Okay. All right. Now this is changed to logarithmic. You see that it goes from 1 to 10. That same size or same length represents 10 to 100. Okay, so that's what will result in logarithmic scale. Now if you change the y-axis also to logarithmic scale, okay, like that, now you see the relationship, okay, much better between shipping cost and sales. Okay, so you have the x and y axis in logarithmic scale. So, here this is sales versus shipping cost. Profit. Okay. Now, if you change the scale of the size to diverging size, like 0 at the center, then you need to make sure that there is some way of differentiating between negative sizes and the positive sizes. Where large negative will also have a bigger circle, large positive will also have bigger circle. So, you have to be able to, you should be able to distinguish the two, and the only way to distinguish then is by color. So, in which case you have to remove product category out of color and use profit with a with either a diverging scale or a 2 binary scale color. Okay.